Man United win. Manchester United finally win. Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the damn channel, bro. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe, right? Don't get safe for brand new. Manchester United finally won a game, bro. Finally. Was it hard? Yes. Did they make it hard? Yes. But did we win? Yes. So all is well that ends well, yeah? You would think that that's it, the end of it, right? You would think that that's it. Okay, great. Manchester United won. We didn't win well, but we won. We have the 3 points. All is well. And immediately after the game, I forgot cycle cut Milan, do all sorts of stuff, and then come back for record this game. But during that time, I had some, as per usual, when Manchester United won, I'm up on YouTube watching all sorts of videos because Manchester United won. When you lose, you're not seeing me funny. Yeah, but we won. And all these men are talking about is, oh, Manchester United look like crap, they won. And we're talking about Manchester United fans in the and they're talking all sorts of crap, bro. I'm like, yo, how can you say Manchester United needed to dominate that game when we were winning 2-0, Casemiro with him bozo moment, got a red card that he shouldn't have got? No. We leading 2-0 going to halftime. When we come back out in the second half, we leading 2-0. We're not going to dominate that game, bro. And where have you seen that happening? When we're winning 2-0, we have an equal level of players now. We don't have 11 versus 10 anymore. We have 10 versus 10. We're not going to dominate that game, bro. Chelsea are going to hold on to the ball. They're going to try. And for the most part, they didn't do anything, bro. They had one shot on target, and that one shot was a goal, bro. They didn't do anything. They held on to the ball most in the second half because Manchester United set back. And we don't know how to play with in a system where we have 10 man because we hardly know the freaking system when we have 11 man. However, bro, these guys don't know what they're talking about when you're watching them. Fam, I don't know. I don't know why these guys are doing. Listen, after the game ended, yeah, I went out, cut the lawn, and I was watching YouTube because guess what? YouTube is where I watch when we finish watching the game because if Manchester United lose, you're not seeing me on YouTube. But when they win, they're up on YouTube every day because I'm going to watch all the Chelsea players, ballers, and talking about everything. But what I saw from the Manchester United fan content people was that Manchester United play sloppy. They Chelsea got all the balls the second half. Bro, we were winning 2-0 in the first half, bro. After Casemiro got his bozo blow red card, we were leading 2-0. Of course, in the second half, they're not going to push. They're not going to try to get a third. So what can we say? What should we be saying? We should be saying that, yes, we won the game. We got the 3 points. Now we're moving on to next week. That's what we should be saying. What are we saying? They're on the YouTube spaces and they're talking about Manchester United playing like crap. They're talking about Manchester United need to do better in the second half, yada, yada, yada. What I am saying is this. Never, ever have you seen the Premier League where one team who lost winning 2-0 come back in the second half and dominate the team? Maybe not. But we have a team that we don't know the system as well as we should. So how can you ask our team to dominate the second half when we already lose a man? Chelsea have been playing together forever, and now we are trying to win this game. Of course, you're going to have Chelsea dominate the second half because we lost a man in the first half, and now we're trying to figure out where we should be staying in the midfield. Defense probably already set about the wing backs and the forward line. We need to figure that out. So there's no way we can say, all right, we're going to dominate this second half. No. I wouldn't anticipate that either. Right? But you man just talk about such a shit, bro. Honestly, about the game, I was worried. I was worried the second half because Chelsea just kept on to the ball the whole game. But they didn't look like they were going to challenge us at all in that second half, bro. They did not look like they were going to challenge us at all. They had one shot on target, and that goal was their shot on target. Nothing else, bro. Nothing else. So I do think that Manchester United played well. They defended well, resolutely. Honestly, I'm glad for the 3 points. No, move on to the next one. That's all I say. Move on to the next one. Tottenham draw. I lose. The fuck of them shall lose. You know, every time we watch Tottenham play football, I get more and more upset with Manchester Bumbleclad United because I weighed them the last season. Yeah? Every blood, every time, bro. Every fucking time, bro. But it's alright. It's all good. It's all good. Leave it alone. Leave it alone, bro. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Alright. Okay. Liverpool getting a free win today again against Everton. It's okay. It's okay. It's blood. It's okay. It's alright, man. Don't worry yet. Liverpool. It's alright. We'll see you soon. Arsenal and Man City tomorrow. I don't know. I want the game to draw. I don't want either of them win. But who knows, fam? Who knows? But we'll see you guys tomorrow again. Yeah, Manchester United, decent win. Tomorrow, Manchester United female will play in Arsenal. As I've never said this on my YouTube spaces before, but Manchester United is in the Champions League for the women's team. I am happy about that. Tomorrow, we're going to play Arsenal. Hopefully, we can get a win, separate ourselves from them at the top of the table, and see what happens. It's going to be a tough season for Manchester United women, but listen, every season is tough for Manchester United women and men at the moment. So it is what it is, fam. It is what it is. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Drop a like on the video. Subscribe. Manaz.